So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm FX. I'm a professional forex trader and I'm also a footballer that is aspiring to go pro very soon. So I start my day by jogging. I start my early morning jog just to keep fit, guys, just to keep fit. All right, so I know we are currently in December, and at the end of the year we all look at our trading journey, our life in general. Okay, what have we achieved this year? But aside looking at your achievements, if you feel you have not achieved enough, don't forget you are alive. So we have 2026 to start another year and get things right. So make sure you start journaling, you start working hard pending the time. All right, so make sure you work at 2026 can be a game changer for you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned to this channel. So this is just my simple day in the life. Let's get on my chart and let me show you. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the strategy I used to trade that helped me flip my account from this to this, and like I do flipping a lot on this channel, but most of the time it is not aggressive flipping, it's actually growing an account, you understand? So I do it a lot. So if you want to learn the strategy I use today, I'll be exposing the strategy for you guys free of charge. So make sure you watch this video to the end and you will learn the personal strategy I use to flip my account back to back. So I'll not be wasting your time. Let's just go on the screen. Let me show you the strategy I use to flip my account. Let's get on the chart. Let me show you the strategy, and it's very easy to use. So if you ask me for the first time, I'm FX. I'm a professional forex trader, and in this channel I help forex trader. I help them to become better. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. So let's get into the video. Let me show you the strategy that I use to flip my account, and you can also do the same. Let's just dive in on my screen and let me show you how I trade. Alright guys, welcome back to my screen, guys. This is a trade I took, and I think I shared, okay, I didn't share the shot of this happened yesterday, which we took a trade but we got a break even. But this is the setup I made a shot for, which is on my channel. You can check this channel. By the way, I'm FX. Welcome back to my screen, and I want to do a breakdown of the little strategy I use to flip my account aggressively. When you are trading a small account, you can use this to flip your account. This doesn't mean you will not take some losses at times. It's not every time it's going to work, but whenever you are doing this, you just have to prioritize the higher time frame trend, and you have to use proper risk management even if you want to flip your account. Do you understand? So let me just show you the framework of this strategy. This strategy, right, it's not every time I'll be sharing this video, because if I want to share everything in this video, the video will be too long. That's one. Then two, some of my secrets is in this video, some of my personal strategy, guys. Most of my students know this. If you come for my mentorship, I'm going to be explaining and be revealing all these secrets to you, but this is online space. I cannot be revealing everything to everyone because it took me years to get all this done. So all you need to see is for price to be trending in one direction. You can see in this case price is trending to the upside. You can see creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now this is what we are anticipating from price, guys. This is what we are anticipating from price. So when you are seeing something like this, shows that price is trending to the upside. Do you get it? So now on the lower time frame, so all we need on the lower time frame, let me just let me delete this. All we need on the lower time frame is for price to move in a direction. Do you understand? Then price should take out this is a bullish scenario. I need price to take out a low, then break the structure to the upside. Not only that, I need price to give me like a pullback close to my zone, then push up. When I see this, I am confident in taking a buy from here to the upside. You understand? So this is the simple framework for this strategy. So this there's definitely going to be a fair value gap or another block just right around here, and I'm anticipating to take the buy to the upside. So this is the simple framework. This you see this strategy, right? It is not, a lot of people don't talk about it, and it is very effective, very effective. So this is what I want to see. So this serves as a liquidity, which is a swing
swing low liquidity, and it can also be called an inducement. Then we add multiple, when you have a multiple break of structure, it identifies strong trend to a particular direction. You can see this is the first break of structure, then we add another break of structure just right here, signifying a strong trend to the upside. So this is the simple framework, and you can use this strategy to flip your account because you'll be having an insane risk to reward. Now for an example, in this demonstration, this is a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Now let's say I want to flip a $2, let's use $5. Let's say I want to flip a $5 account, and everybody don't have the mindset to flip on a single trade, risking the $5. So let's say you now divide your risk into 2.5 per trade, $2.5 per trade. Now for a 1 to 5 hour trade, let's say you get a 1 to 5 hour trade, your 2.5 times 5, that will be what you are going to get. That should be around $12 or something. So that is simple how I flip my account. You can see this trade. What did I get here? Now this is a 15-minute time frame. There are some minor thing that will not show you, like I said earlier. Let me just show you some few things. I have an inducement here. You can see I have a small inducement here. I have an inducement here. I had a break of structure here. If you go to lower time frame, let's say 5 minutes, this is also a minor break of structure here, but I'm not going to show you everything, guys. So I will not be explaining everything here. We have a minor break of structure, guys. If I do this, if I explain everything, this video will be too long, you understand? So let me just keep it basic and simple like this. If you want to learn how I catch all this setup, you can see this is a 1 to 8 hour trade. If I'm risking $5, 5 times 8, that's around $80, right? If my calculation is right. You can see if you are risking $1, you get $8. If you are risking $100, you get $800. This is simple. That doesn't mean you always be getting it right. Don't forget that there are some times that you are going to take losses. Losses are definitely part of the game, but always put proper risk management into consideration. Do you understand, guys? So guys, I've been trading with this platform, this broker called Geriv. You can see this is a synthetic indices. This is an indices. The synthetic indices, VIX 75, volatility 75 is an indices. So if you want to register an account with Derry, you will see a link in my pinned comment. Click the link, register an account. If you need help, or if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to catch this setup, if you want to learn how to flip your account, just send me a DM, then I'm going to explain further to you. I'm going to add you to my Telegram channel, my VIP Telegram channel. But if you just want to be join our free Telegram channel, also we have a free Telegram channel that I send signal in every day. All right, guys, so look at this second setup. Also you can see now this framework is very simple. Wait for a low to be taken, which is a sweep of liquidity here, then wait for an high to be taken. Now like I said, I like to see like a multiple break of structure for me to confirm my trend. Now you can see this is a break of structure. If you look at this point here, let me mark this out for you. This is a break of structure right here. You can see if you go to your lower time frame, you are going to see all this clearly, and price came tap into our zone, and this is a 1 to 10 hour trade. If you are risking $1, you get $10. If you are risking $50, you are getting $500. This is how to trade, guys. This is how simple you trade. So these are just the simple 2 trades I just want to back test with you guys. And there's another setup right here that I'm seeing, but I don't think price gets to our entry right here. But let's just mark this out. Let's mark this out with you guys. Let's see, did price get to our entry? You can see price missed our entry by a pip. You can see just right here, price missed our entry. We had this sweep of liquidity here. Definitely put higher time frame trade into consideration, guys. Put higher time frame trade into consideration. You can see price took out this high, and this look like a double top liquidity. Price took it out, then price broke structure to the downside. Like I said, I like multiple break of structure. This is one break of structure. It's not a must you see multiple break of structure though. This is another break of structure, and after getting this multiple break of structure, you can see we had another like liquidity just below the zone. You can see we can even mark this out as a trend line liquidity that price took out but failed to tap our zone and sold all the way down. You can see, and this trade also is a massive trade. this trade also is a massive trade. You can see assuming it taps us in, our stop loss will just be slightly above this high, and this will be a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5 hour trade, guys. So simple and straightforward, simple, precise and straightforward. All right, so this is simply how I trade most of the time, but I have an advanced trading strategy. I cannot just show you the time frame I actually trade on. So this is just to show you the framework of what I do as a forex trader. So this is technically how my day is. I just wait for setup, I take my trade, and I'm done for the day. Simple as ABC. I don't really stress myself on anything. All right, so make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share with your loved ones if you enjoy this sort of content, or if this is something you are interested in. Now I'm going to start a profit challenge probably next week, and I'll be showing you guys how I trade it. So I'll be trading currency pair, gold, and other currency pairs on that. All right, so guys, there you have it. That is how simple I trade, and that is how simple you can also trade and make money in the forex industry. You don't have to overcomplicate your strategy or do anything, you understand? So it is very, very simple. All right, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Anything you want me to talk about in my next video, you can drop that in the comment section. And if you have any question, also drop that in the comment section.